Being, this is the beggar I saw. Back then, I think. But this is one of the beggars that I saw I saw on Goa Garden. So this is how they. So this is the beggar that begs me do. He goes to my garden like this. He goes to my garden. This is not my garden. This is my friend's garden, I think. This is not my garden, guys. But the beggar do to my garden is he like my garden like that. Okay. Let's go to other place. He goes to my garden like that. He goes to my garden. Okay. And he likes it. Then after he likes it, he begs for food. He begs for food on me. But my mind said that good I need to give him a fruit, unfruit or a fruit because they like my garden. But but I but I really want I I really don't want to give him and I want to give him at the same time. But I forced myself to give him because he liked my garden. Even there's a half of my mind that don't want to give him a food. So, 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 bye.